keep her happy. Happy wife, happy life. I'll go white. The rain, honestly, I haven't seen anything like it. It's absolutely mental.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. Malaysia! Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers and this is our Malaysia series.
We're just actually heading down to Jonker's night market to try some of Melaka's best food. I've heard a lot about this night market and there's a few things that we must try. So that's what we're doing.
We've actually been down here before. We just come during the day when the market isn't on and experience some of the local shops, the rustic vintage cafes. As you can see, there's a lot of like art on the walls and the houses, street art.
Unreal, that is.
It's really good. It's like a retro vintage kind of street. But here we go, we're cutting straight through into the market.
Busy, isn't it?
Right or left? So it's like 6:15 now and it's already really busy. We did originally plan to get here earlier. We decided to walk that hour and a half to this place. So this is 6 to 12 at night. Very busy.
It's a very narrow street though, isn't it? So obviously as well as food, they're also selling like all sorts of other things. He's actually selling a shower there, which is I've never seen that on
one.
Yeah, I've never seen that on a night market before. Hello. One? Yes.
There you go, Ben.
10 ringgit.
Thank you. Makassi. We've started off sweet. Always good when you start off with something sweet.
In true Dridger fashion, we've just started off with a dessert because that's what we do. We're just weird. Bearded dragon
bread?
No, I think it's bearded dragon bread. I think it is. Let us know in the comments if we're wrong.
Oh, I can't remember the name now. We literally were just there.
Yeah, we just literally just saw it, but apparently this is quite popular.
I'm going for pink. Oh gosh, it's falling apart. Rip it!
I'll go white. Oh, that's just spin out.
Oh, look at him. Oh, what? Oh,
That's unreal.
I can't speak it. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's chewy, isn't it?
So basically, it tastes like candy floss, we'd say, or cotton candy if you're American. And it's got like nuts in the middle, a little bit sweet, not too sweet.
Oh, that is unreal.
Yeah.
And it's like really chewy. You didn't expect that. You could get it in quick in your mouth. Not sure what the shredded outside is, but it's definitely crushed up nuts inside.
Yeah, the nuts make it so good.
Oh, it's fantastic.
I like that.
And we got like a pack of them, 8 in them, for 10 ringgit. Hello. 3 6 for 10. So one.
10 ringgit this way.
Yes.
You like chili sauce or mayonnaise sauce? Mix, huh?
Mix.
Chili is sweet one, not spicy one, huh?
Oh, okay, sweet.
Just like KFC one.
Just like KFC. I'm
Yes.
sweet enough.
Sweet one. Sweet chili. Thank you, sir.
Makasih.
Makassi.
Thank you.
The quail eggs. Oh, they're a bit bendy. So we got 3 on a stick, 10 baht. It looks like sausage on top. 1, 2, 3, go. Mmm.
Yeah.
Oh, they're unreal.
They're unreal.
That egg where it's like poached in them round holes. It's kind of like hollowy.
Yeah, it's cooked perfectly.
Oh.
Sauce complements it well as well.
Oh yeah, go for the double.
Yeah, double's good shout.
I can't believe 3 of these for 10 ringgit. Delicious. They're selling some good t-shirts and trainers here, but tomorrow we are visiting the vintage shop. So we're going to say buying things like that there. This is just about eating. If you know us,
All about
we
eating,
eat.
all about food.
We've not eaten all day to savour ourselves so we can fit in more. So we're going to fit in loads. The sea coconut juice.
Sea coconut.
Yeah, get one.
This one. Sea coconut. We went for this drink, yeah? Looks weird. It's called sea coconut juice.
Don't know why it's black.
I don't know what it's about. I have no idea what a sea coconut is. As you can see, it's very, very busy.
This is how Ben opens bottles. Very mature.
Works every time. Not very sweet, and it's got like a slight aniseed taste. If you put like a tiny bit of sambuca in a load of water, that's what that tastes like.
Kind of reminds me of pandan, a little bit. It's very unusual. I can't taste coconut very much.
It's sea coconut.
Yeah, no, but it's coconut.
Whatever a sea coconut is.
It's alright, 5 RM for that black weird drink. We've got thunder and lightning going on at the moment. Oh, we wanted to try them, rainbow jelly. Yeah. Should we get one?
Yeah. Oh, stick one.
So these are all different flavours. We've got strawberry, orange, mango, wheatgrass, blue, tangerine, grape and... Hello? Yes, it is!
Can you take a photo?
Yeah, of course! Sorry, we had to interrupt that for a fan. I think it was a really old one from Christmas when we were last here in Malaysia. They recognised me.
Right, anyway, Reanne's a celebrity. They've got nothing to do with me as usual, but Reanne's always in the TikTok, so...
Women are more approachable.
Yeah, women are more, yeah. Right, I'm going to try this. Different flavours. What's it called?
Rainbow jelly.
Rainbow jelly, different flavours.
First one is
Strawberry, very jelly-like.
Is it? Is it literally just like jelly?
Yeah, but not very sweet.
It's like harder than jelly as well. Not a lot of flavour, but it's really delicious and refreshing. God knows how they make these, but they're well cool. These were 8 ringgit. Oh, I love this. Rain's starting to come, so the gazebos are going up. Oh my god, the dark clouds are proper coming now. We need to hurry up and get some more food in. There's like loads of side streets going off the main strip. So we're
better, isn't it?
Yeah, we're having to keep walking up and down because we're missing so much. This weather's like gone mental.
Everyone's like running, isn't they?
They're all getting their gazebos out and that.
At least it's not as busy though.
I don't know where we're going to go though, Ben. We're just going to man through and get wet.
Let's run from 10 to 10.
Yeah.
Hello, one cheesy corn cup.
Cheese corn, this one. 13 or 7?
7.
7 no cheese.
No cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, we want the one with cheese then.
One
With
cheese
cheese.
is 13.
Yeah, it's fine. Mackenzie. Quick, let's find somewhere under shelter where you can try our cheesy sweet corn. Oh my god.
The rain, honestly, I haven't seen anything like it. It's absolutely mental. And like pretty much the streets like emptied out now. Oh man, it's like a proper storm.
We've gone for cheesy sweet corn. Sounds a little bit weird to me and a little bit unhealthy. Try and get in. We've got a massive tub. This was 13 ringgit. It's the smallest they did. I only wanted a little bit. Let's try it. So we've got some parsley on top.
Wow.
Whoa. That's actually really nice. It's got a sweetness to it. I think it's the sugar they put on there at the beginning. It works really well, it tastes really nice, but I can imagine it being really, really bad for you. But delicious. This rain is not giving up. We've seen that Zeus coffee shop across the road, so we're gonna run over there and go in there for a bit. We're going for it. There it is. Oh. Oh. I've got a drink. Ben just got a coffee and I've got water. Water.
With the tea, with or without this.
I'm just going to put my jumper on because where we're wet and the aircon's on, it's freezing. It's really beautiful in here, but we're just going to hide in here and hopefully be able to carry on with our street food tour, but this rain's meant to be all night.
I mean, the problem is, it's not us just being like really like fannies. They've actually sort of like wrapped it up and closed up for a little bit. They're waiting for it to sort of calm down a little bit as well. So it's actually quite busy up here. So I think everyone's got the same idea as us.
Okay, we're back out. It's a lot better. It's tiny drips now, but I think we can carry on.
The show must go on, Reanne. Come on.
We were debating whether we should just like call it a day and try another day, but we're doing it. We're going out. All right, what are we going to eat next?
I can't believe you can get a tattoo here. I didn't expect that. I thought it said temporary tattoos and it said permanent tattoos next to it, and I heard the gun. So, market tattoo. I might forget one.
No, not today, Benny. I would.
Oh, Pompey
I
dog.
would if I knew what I wanted. I do want another tattoo, but I don't know what. Let me know down below in the comment, what tattoo should I get? I want something added on to my love heart, something at the bottom, but I don't know what.
Hashtag OTWD.
No, it's too soon. 100k I will. And I'm not having Ben's name before someone says Ben's name.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going for some fried ice cream. Very weird and unusual. It looks like he's got like frozen pre-made ones and then he drops them in the deep fat fryer. Ben's gone for the Oreo one. Quite interested to see what he's like.
I went for the Oreo to keep her happy.
Yeah, you know if you've gone for the vanilla or strawberry,
I
you
would
would
have
have
gone
fell
for
out.
the Durain or the yam.
We've got completely different tastes.
Yeah. I'm literally, my life revolves around, I'm thinking in my head, right, how am I going to keep her happy? Happy wife, happy life.
Makassi.
I can see.
How much was it, Ben?
7 ringgit.
7 ringgit. I'll let you do the honours.
Oh,
I'm treating you.
yeah. Well, obviously it's piping hot.
It's a love heart.
It's a love, it's a circle.
No, it isn't. It's a love
It's a
heart.
love heart, yeah, alright. Oh. That literally tastes like it's very, very bad for you.
Oh, so it's so good.
Yeah, so as soon as you put it into it, yeah, as soon as you put it into it, you got all the oil comes out. Yeah, so the oil's really rich, and then you just about get the cold, little sharp Oreos. You can't really taste the Oreo, can you?
No, I mainly got batter then.
The batter's really rich.
Let's go in for another bite.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Try it again. That is unreal. It's like donut.
Yeah, it is like that. Yeah.
Like a donut. A hot donut with cold ice cream in it. That tastes unreal. That is amazing.
That is amazing.
This is my favourite food.
How unhealthy does it taste?
Oh no, it's worth it.
Yeah.
We walked a lot today.
Well,
Can I have the honey chicken? And what do you want, Ben?
crab stick.
And crab stick, please.
So we both got an egg burger. I went for the crab stick. Reanne went for the honey chicken. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in and try mine. So egg white on the outside, taste of the crab on the inside, really good. A little bit bland, could do with a little bit of flavour, probably a little dipping sauce as well. Very good. 4 ringgit each.
What we got, Ben? Show me your lollipop.
So, yeah, so I've gone for a little bit different, caught our eye a little bit. This is a baby crab. I'm gonna go and try it.
That looks really good.
Crunchy. So really like crunchy and rich with the oil, and you get like the crab flavour coming through, but it's more like the crunchiness of like the crab skin, more like a batter than a Yorkshire pudding. Very good. And it was 9 ringgit, so again, not bad.
5 to 10 minutes, yep, thank you. So to finish off the food tour, we've ordered a couple of meals, but they're going to take 5 to 10 minutes. So we're just going for a stroll, and then we'll go back and collect them and show you what we got. Makassi. We kind of got more food.
But the thing is, right, we've got to wait for our meal, so we thought we'd have a little starter.
Not like we've had any.
So I got like well, it's a sausage, but I don't know what sort of type of sausage it is.
Mine looks kind of like pepperoni. but
Salami, I said.
Salami.
Let's just try.
Oh.
Ah.
It's got like a honey glaze on it. Oh, that's fantastic.
So mine's a little bit like a Thai sausage, a little bit spicy, but it's a lemongrass taste. They grill them in front of you, so they're like perfect. They're hot, they're boiling hot, but they're perfectly like cooked as well.
Oh, that is so good.
That's got a little kick though. That's quite spicy.
So that was 3 sticks for 14 ringgit. We did get a pork one as well,
pork one's
but we
nice.
bet that a lot. Oh, okay, yeah. Again, a nice glaze on it. We've ate about 100 of them while we've been in Thailand.
100 million. Hello.
Yeah, we order. Stars? Makassi. Oh, I'm buzzing for this. Let's go and find a spot so we can try it. It's getting busier again now. It's like when the rain was going, it went really quiet and everyone vanished, and now everyone's returned. This always happens. Walking through the market, nearly at the end. I've lost Ben. Somewhere back there. Oh, I can spot him. Nope. Oh, here he is. He's broke through. What happened to you?
I went to the bin, but I just got caught.
I know, I turned around, I was like, where's he gone?
The problem is, right, obviously I'm a bit bigger than Reanne, so Reanne squeezed through and then I'll get caught behind someone and I'm stuffed, don't I? But,
Oh, thanks for saying I'm tiny.
well, I'm obviously bigger, aren't I?
We are really far from our place and we're definitely not walking back. It is pitch black now and it's like 8:30 at night. So Ben's on our trusty app for Grab, looking for it. It takes quite a while, so we're doing it before we try our last meal. So, like, oh, sugar. Is he right here?
I've got a driver.
Straight away? Oh, I think we've got one straight away. Hello. Okay, we're back at our place. Wasn't really how we were planning to end it. Every time we've ordered a taxi here, it's took forever, hasn't it? The one time We didn't want it to. It literally was 1 second.
The thing about today, weather put us off a little bit, but in the end, we got what we needed to get done.
But let's see what our main meals were. So we're finishing off with our 2 meals. This is Ben. This is absolutely boiling. They're freshly made. He got a prawn fried rice topped off with an egg. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. This is the one. This is very different and unusual. Never had. Buttered chicken pasta. It's nice. Nothing exciting. It's just got like a bit of a creamy sweet sauce and then grilled chicken on it. It's alright. I just fancied some pasta. It was a bit different. But both of these meals come to 30 ringgit. Just to sum up the market, the Jonker street food night market, it's probably not one of our best ones we've been to in Malaysia. It's a very tourist one, isn't it? We both were saying the prices are a lot higher.
Obviously comparing it to the Tuesday night market, so go back and check that video out because that was a really local market. Make sure you watch the next video because we're going to go to the vintage market and see if we can buy some very cheap clothes and trainers. Subscribe.
Thank you. Oh, I was just carrying it over my shoulder. No. We've seen that Zeus squash. We've seen that clue. Oh my god. Always find a cat.
Postman's hat's cat. A black and white cat.